Today we will be installing the Daystar Products vent switch panel for the Jeep Wrangler TJ and Cherokee XJ. Begin by removing the OEM vent using a trim panel tool. Working from the front of the panel, use a razor blade and trim out the switch holes. Tech tip: cut a smaller hole and use a file to adjust the hole to proper size for a snug fit and install your Daystar switches. Now it's time to install the Daystar vent switch panel. Just push it in until it snaps into place. Switch your electronic accessories into high gear with the Daystar Products vent switch panel for the Jeep Wrangler TJ and Cherokee XJ.